Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix Facebook page isn't available problem on iPhone. So let's get started the video without any delay. Solution 1. Set date and time. For that, launch the settings menu. In settings menu, tap on general settings. Now scroll down and tap on date and time. Here you need to turn off set automatically, then tap on time zone and make sure your time zone is correct. Now go back to the previous menu and set your date and time manually. Solution 2. Update Facebook application. To update the app, first go to the App Store. Then tap on search bar at the bottom right corner of the page. Now search for Facebook. Here make sure that you are using the latest version of Facebook application. If any update is showing for it, update it. Solution 3. Turn on off airplane mode. For that, open the control center on your iPhone. Here you need to turn on airplane mode option. Wait for few seconds. Then turn it back off. Solution 4. Force close the application. For that, from the home screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle of screen. Swipe left or right to find the app that you want to close. Then swipe up on the app's preview to force close it. After doing this, the app will be closed completely.